2. The States of India. Hello dudes! India is a federation composed of 29 states and 7 union territories. All states as well as the union territories of Puducherry and the National Capital Territory of Delhi have elected legislatures and governments. The remaining union territories are directly ruled by the center through the appointed administrators. In 1956, under the States Reorganization Act, states were reorganized on a linguistic basis. Since then, their structure has remained largely unchanged. Each state or union territory is further divided into administrative districts. The districts in turn are further divided into tehsils and ultimately into villages. In this lesson, you will learn about the states and the union territories and their details of India.
2. The states of India. India is a very big country. All the important head offices of the country are located in the capital city, New Delhi. The President, the Prime Minister, other important ministers, and the higher officials of India live here. India has been divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. In June 2014, a new state, namely Telangana, was created from the state of Andhra Pradesh. It is the 29th state. Each state has its own elected government, the governor, the chief minister, and all the ministers of state, and its own state capital. All the ministers of state and the higher officials of state live in the capital city of the state. The details of each state are given along with union territories in a tabular form. The states and union territories at a glance. Serial number, state, capital, rivers, area in square kilometers, industries, languages. 1. Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar, summer. Jammu, winter. Indus, Jhelum, Chenab. 2,22,236 square kilometers. Silk weaving handicrafts. Kashmiri, Urdu, Dogri, Ladakhi. 2. Himachal Pradesh. Shimla. Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Sutlej. 55,673 square kilometers. Woolen garments, salts, and fruit processing. Pahari, Hindi. 3. Punjab. Chandigarh. Ravi, Beas, Sutlej. 50,362 square kilometers. Textiles, vehicles, leather goods, sports goods, nightwear. Punjabi, Hindi. 4. Uttar Pradesh. Lucknow. Ganga, Yamuna, Gomati, Betwa, Gagra. 2,38,566 square kilometers. Leather, handloom, lock, jari, carpets, sugar, cement, etc. Hindi, Urdu. 5. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Ganga, Yamuna, Bhagirathi. 55,845 square kilometers. Tourism. Hindi. 6. Bihar, Patna, Ganga, Kosi, Son, Gandak. 94,163 square kilometers. Fertilizers, oil refining, steel. Bhojpuri, Hindi, Urdu. 7. Jharkhand, Ranchi, Damodar, Sank, Brahmani, South Cole. 79,714 square kilometers. Iron and steel, locomotives and coaches, coal mining, engineering goods, power plant. Hindi, Urdu. 8. Rajasthan, Jaipur, Luni, Banas, Chambal. 3,42,249 square kilometers. Textiles, dyes, handicrafts. Hindi, Marwari, Rajasthani. 9. Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Narmada, Tapi, Mahi, Sabarmati. 1,96,024 square kilometers. Textiles, dairy products. Gujarati, Sindhi. 10. Haryana, Chandigarh, Yamuna, Ghaggar, Markanda. 44,212 square kilometers. Vehicles, machine parts. Haryanvi, Punjabi, Hindi. 11. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Narmada, Betwa, Chambal. 3,08,252 square kilometers. Pottery, mining, electrical goods. Hindi, Urdu. 12. Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Mahanadi, Indravati. 1,35,194 square kilometers. Iron and steel. Hindi, Chhattisgarhi, tribal dialects. 13. West Bengal, Kolkata, Hooghly, Damodar, Tista, Ganga, Bhagirathi. 88,752 square kilometers. Textiles and jute. Bengali, Hindi. 14. Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Mahanadi, Baitarani, Brahmani. 1,55,707 square kilometers. Textiles, paper, fertilizers. Oriya, Hindi, Bengali. 15. Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, Capital Region. Krishna, Godavari. 1,60,205 square kilometers. Textiles, steel and IT. Telugu, Urdu. 16. Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Kaveri, Vaigai, Ponnayar, Palar. 1,30,058 square kilometers. Leather, matches, crackers, railway coaches. Tamil. 17. Kerala, Tiruvananthapuram, Pariyar, Pembiyar, Beypore, Ponnani. 38,863 square kilometers. Rubber, coir, paper, fertilizers. Malayalam, Urdu. 18. Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kaveri, Krishna, Tungabhadra, Vedavati, Kalindi. 1,91,791 square kilometers. Telephones, watches, aircrafts, machine tools. Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Konkani. 19. Maharashtra, Mumbai, Godavari, Krishna, Tapi, Vardha, Bhima. 3,07,690 square kilometers. Textiles, chemicals, automobiles. Marathi, Urdu, Konkani, Hindi, Gujarati. 20. Assam, Dispur, Brahmaputra, Manas. 74,438 square kilometers. Tea, petroleum, limestone, coal, natural gas. Assamese, Hindi. 21. Sikkim, Gangtok, Brahmaputra, Manas, Lonak, Tista. 7,096 square kilometers. Industrially backward handicrafts. Sikkimese, Lepcha, Bushia, Limbu, Nepali. 22. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Brahmaputra, Lohit, Lotal, Dibang. 83,743 square kilometers. Coal, oil and gas, dolomite, fruit processing plant. Mizi, Nishmi, Monpa, Aka, Tagin, Boncho. 23. Nagaland, Kohima, Dieng, Junki, Dikhu. 16,579 square kilometers. Sugar mill, paper mill, handloom and handicrafts. Angami, Aochang, Konyak, Sema. 24. Manipur, Impal, Thobal, Iril, Nambal, Impal. 22,327 square kilometers. Drugs and pharmaceuticals, steel rerolling mill, plywood factory, spinning mill, cement plant. Manipuri. 25. Mizoram, Aijwal, Daleshwari, March, Sinai. 21,081 square kilometers. Electronics, handloom and handicrafts, agro and forest based industries. Mizo. 26. Tripura, Agartala, Juri, Manu, Dalai, Dio, Gumti, Matrabari. 10,491 square kilometers. Cane furniture, basket making, cloth weaving. Tripuri, Bengali, Kakborak. 27. Meghalaya, Shillong, Cree, Ronga, Jadukala. 22,429 square kilometers. Furniture making, electric goods, cement plant, iron and steel fabrication. Garo, Khasi. 28. Goa, Panaji, Juari, Mandovi, Chapora. 3,702 square kilometers. Mining and tourism. Konkani, Marathi. 29. Telangana, Hyderabad. Godavari, Krishna. 1,14,840 square kilometers. Automobiles, spices, mines, textiles, pharmaceutical, IT. Telugu, Urdu. Serial number, Union Territory, Capital, Location, Area in square kilometers, Languages. 1. Delhi, New Delhi, east of Haryana, west of Uttar Pradesh. 1,483 square kilometers. Hindi, Urdu, Punjabi. 2. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair, Bay of Bengal. 8,249 square kilometers. Hindi, Tamil, Nicobarese, Malayalam, Bengali, Telugu. 3. Lakshadweep Islands, Kavaratti, Arabian Sea, coast of Kerala. 32 square kilometers. Malayalam. 4. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa, west coast south of Gujarat. 491 square kilometers. Gujarati, Hindi. 5. Daman and Diu, Daman, Gujarat coast. 112 square kilometers. Gujarati. 6. Pondicherry, Pondicherry, eastern coast 400 kilometers from Chennai. 492 square kilometers. Tamil, Telugu, French and Malayalam. 7. Chandigarh, Chandigarh, joint capital for Punjab and Haryana. 114 square kilometers. Hindi, Punjabi.